Hello guys, so we are back with a new vlog today. So we are leaving for Darjeeling today. It's 28th of July 2024 in deep monsoon. So let's see, we'll give you some updates on the road situation and conditions so that you guys can travel easily. So it's 7:43 in the clock. So we are at Bijon Setu right now. The weather is very good and appropriate for long drives. Sunny as well as cloudy. The visibility is very good and we'll keep on updating as we go ahead. So as we see, there is no sign of any rainfall or any monsoon. We can see pretty good blue sky. We are just 50 kilometers away from Fulia and maybe 60 kilometers away from Krishnanagar, and it's 9:21 and our TA is around 7:42. Let's see when we can reach and we'll keep on updating.
But we crossed Amdanga stretch, that is about 17 kilometers at the single road. That is the baddest part in this route after Barasat. However, these roads are quite good as you see, so we'll keep updating. This is also a very bad system
In the highway.
obstruction of barricades. This only you will find in West Bengal highways. We are approaching to Krishnanagar. It's about 10-12 kilometers from here. Stretch is fantastic, like international road. Driving speed is about 140-150 kilometers per hour. Sometimes you have to get stopped due to this barricade.
Malda is 223 kilometers.
223 kilometers. Fantastic due to this rainy season, full of breeze.
Easily you people can drive and come to Darjeeling this time. There is no problem. As of now we can see. So now we are at Krishnanagar, and as we can see the time of arrival is 7:27 right now, and we have cut down around 15-20 minutes from Google ETA. Let's see how fast can we reach. So we are crossing Krishnanagar and it's 9:58 on the clock. So we took around 3 hours, 2.5 hours to reach Krishnanagar. The road still is very good and we haven't got any rainfall. The sky seems to be pretty good, very blue. So we just crossed Plassey. So it's 10:42 in the clock, 43, and we are left with 416 kilometers. And as per Google, the ETA has decreased to 1909. Expecting to reach Siliguri by 5:30, and it's been around 3 hours 45 minutes, maybe 4 hours, and we have crossed Plassey. And we are left with another 415 kilometers and covered around 170-80 kilometers in 4 hours. So now we are crossing Baharampur township, which leads in the left, and we'll be taking the Baharampur bypass, which will overtake the township and lead towards Malda. And the time is 11:20. We left around 7:45 and now it's 11:20, near to 4 hours.
We are now crossing Baharampur bypass. It's a fantastic stretch. It's the best part in this route, in the Calcutta Siliguri route. This is the best part so far. We are crossing. After Baharampur, we will be reaching to Malda. Farakka is 95 kilometers.
So we have arrived at Pappuda Dhaba and the time is 11:45, and we'll take a short tea break and then again go ahead with the drive to our destination. So in Pappuda Dhaba, it seems the kitchen is very clean. They are doing the cooking all in open kitchen. They have got AC seating area as well as the normal area. For the AC seating, it's I think 15% extra. It's a very beautiful sorted small dhaba which feels nice. It's a family place. You can easily come. This is actually absolutely situated opposite to Don Bosco School. Here is the Don Bosco School and here is our Pappuda Dhaba. This is the chicken pakoda we are having. So we have started again our journey and it's 12:11. We are left with another 363 kilometers and the estimated time of arrival has increased by half an hour again. And now my father is driving. I can't see a single sign of rain. It's pretty hot outside. So we are just passing the Farakka feeder canal. And the time is 12:53. The arrival is still at 7:20. We couldn't cover up much, but we are getting single lane road diversion a lot. So now we are crossing Farakka township. The time is exactly 1:30 and the estimated time of arrival is at 7:07, which is 286 kilometers left for Siliguri. This is the Farakka barrage that we are crossing right now at 1:31 PM. We just crossed the Farakka barrage and paid the toll tax. Now we are on the Malda bypass. So I have taken over from Farakka toll tax and now we are left with 257 kilometers and expected time of arrival is 6:47. As I said earlier that we are going to hit Siliguri by 5:30. That cannot be achieved, I think. But that's okay. We are on a leisure trip, so we are not racing against the time. And it's 2:03 right now in the clock. Crossing Malda, left with 255 kilometers. So we are just entering Gazol and there is another toll tax. We have passed around 4 toll tax altogether and we are left with another 227 kilometers to Siliguri and the estimated time of arrival is 6:35 and now is 2:25. Let's see how fast or how early we reach the destination. Being me, the driver, otherwise everyone is sleeping. So we have just crossed the Itahar. This stretch is like both sides you'll find long trees, greenery, and as we are visiting just after the monsoon, we are getting too much of greens all along. So we are crossing Raiganj bypass right now. Wonderful road with beautiful scenery all along. Feeling like driving in some European country. Loads of green and blue sky. This is what we will get right after heavy monsoon. So hoping to see Kanchenjunga clear in Darjeeling. Now we are just 180 kilometers left to Siliguri and the estimated time of arrival is 6:23. Now it's 2:58. Let's see if we can pull up the time till 6 o'clock. Driving at 140 plus. So this is we are passing through West Bengal Bihar border area. Here we can see some dark clouds, but in West Bengal we didn't find any black clouds. We could actually see a very good nice blue sky, clear sky. So we have just entered the Bihar province and we just crossed the Sarjapur toll plaza and going towards the Kishanganj. We are 123 kilometers away and expected time of arrival is 5:58 right now, 5:59, and currently it's 3:37. I don't think we'll get a good road in this particular region because the entrance of the state is not up to the mark. The stretch which we got actually is the old road constructed, but fortunately you won't see any kind of obstacles or speed breakers which we find everywhere in West Bengal's highway, which is very irritating for drivers like us. The road condition here is not very smooth as it's the old constructed road. Lots of patchwork has been done, so you won't be able to do a smooth drive, but you won't find any potholes. There is just patchwork done, so you can drive normally, no problem. This stretch is better in terms of speed. You can actually maintain a good speed because you won't be finding any obstacles. So we are on the Islampur bridge. The township is beneath the bridge and they have made a good small bridge to overtake the crowded area. The road condition in this bridge is also not very well. But anyways, we are just left with 102 kilometers to Siliguri, which is estimated arrival time at 5:47 and it's 3:54 in the clock. This bridge feels good. This is, I think, newly constructed bridge. This is well made and you will be able to drive easily. Now we are at Islampur bypass and we are just left with last 75 kilometers and the estimated time is 5:39. As I said in the beginning of the video, I'll try to get in by 5:30. I'm trying to manage to get in by 5:30 and now it's 4:18. I don't know whether we can reach by 5:30, but I'll try my best. So now we are on the main Siliguri road, approaching Siliguri, and we are just left with 59 kilometers. Beautiful scenery, both sides, green, blue sky. So we just had a change in plan. Like we were supposed to stay at Siliguri tonight, but our ultimate destination was, as always, Darjeeling. So as it is just 5:45 right now, we decided to go a little bit uphill at Kashyang. So we are moving towards Kashyang right now and not staying at Siliguri. Tonight we'll be staying at Kashyang. So let's see how is the road uphill. We are left with 63 kilometers to Kashyang now as we changed our plan and our ETA has raised to 635. Obviously we have added the kilometer and now it's 4:47 at the moment. We are at Siliguri road. Yeah, so we just stopped by seeing mountains there. We cannot see in the video actually. It's not visible in the video, but see, now you can understand in this position silhouette of the mountains. So we have entered Bagdogra and we are left with just 37 kilometers and it is just 5:26. We'll reach Kashyang by an hour or so as per Google Map. So we are now on the Matigara Kashyang road and we are left with 30 kilometers of drive till Kashyang and it's 5:35 right now. Guys, I hope you can see the mountains. So we are just about to hit the mountain. We are 29 kilometers away. More 22 kilometers left. It's a very different road which we are traveling in. I don't think this is the Rohini route. This is a different road. Now we are going uphill. So we are now at Hilkut road. We'll follow the rail line, toy train line to reach Kashyang.
This is the original Hilkut road going to the Darjeeling, and we will be reaching to Karsing through this road. This is the railway track, toy train track. This is a fantastic view in this road. So normally all
there
the
are a lot of viewpoint from where we can see Siliguri town. Driving along the edges of the hill, mountain. So we have reached the destination. Beautiful view, and that's the property in which we are going to stay. Hope you got the information and enjoyed the vlog. It's not cold enough, it's 27 degrees outside right now. We have reached the destination, Karsang. Thank you for being there, guys. Please do subscribe my channel. See you again in the next vlog.